Review drivers. There's another driver, add them in there. Companies are getting where they want all drivers listed. So there's not another driver, and I've added all drivers. Violations and incidents. Most people are going to have none. That's pretty common. This is if you've had any within the last 3 years. And if the incident was not your fault, don't worry about it. Now, add an incident. I've got an add an incident. I've got a ticket, speeding. So I'm going to hit continue. And it doesn't matter the exact date, but it was in July 2009, just a few weeks ago. Speeding type, if it's less than, more than. Mine was more than. And go ahead and be honest and truthful on this, because when they do pull your driving record, they will see this. Alright, I'm finished adding incidents. How would you describe John's credit? My credit, it gives you basically a definition of your credit. Really doesn't mean a whole lot right now. It kind of gives the insurance companies an idea of how to rate you. Have an established credit history. I don't have any problems. But it gives them an idea of how to rate you and what ratings to give you. Alright, do you have current auto insurance? Yes. When does your policy expire? Well, I'm going to say it expires this month. 30, because it really doesn't matter. Because with auto insurance, whenever you cancel with other company is when it expires, and you get whatever money that is owed back to you. They can't keep any extra money. You don't have to wait for renewal. Current insurance carrier. I am with Farmers. Now you want to pick the correct company, because all those companies you saw, one of those might be your companies, and they're not going to send you a quote if they don't need to. So how long have you been with the company? Let's say I've been there 4 years. Continuous insurance, 10 years. Alright, now this is your liability. This, if you have questions on it, you can look at the what this. But this just simply, I'll explain to liability to you. If you cause an accident, injure someone, this is the amount that's going to be paid out on bodily injury. So if you have, the first number you see in here is what's paid out per individual. The second number is what's paid out for the entire accident. So $25,000 means that each individual hurt will get $25,000 from the medical bills, and the total accident is $50,000. So if you have 4 people, all 4 people have $20,000 in injuries. That's $80,000. But this policy on the 2550 only covers up to 50. So you're still gonna have to be responsible for $30,000. So 5100 if you want to something modest, keep it down there. Do not go 2550. This will bite you if a major accident happens. Most common 100, 300. The difference in pricing on these two, just for the coverage itself, you're probably looking about $6 to $7 a month in different in pricing. So let's do 100, 300. Continue. Level of coverage you need. The better coverage is what we're looking for. Bodily injury, we got 100, 300, and then property damage. This covers up to $100,000. Now that seems excessive if you hit one vehicle, but what if you hit one vehicle and then that vehicle hits 2 other vehicles? They're going to look at you, so this could get up here. So 100,000 is a safe place to be. Always stay at least 50,000 if you feel you need to go lower. Medical payments. You can carry 5,000, 10,000, and this is going to, if you don't have medical insurance and you're in an accident, this would pay your medical bills if it was your fault. Or if you have a friend in your car or family member that doesn't have health insurance would be the primary coverage. But if they don't have any of that and it's your fault, you hit someone, then this money will help pay their bills. It's very cheap. I'm talking like $2 a month to carry $5,000. So you could go higher. So, but you can always adjust it. But this is just to get a quote. Additional services. I want towing, and I want rental car, and uninsured motorist property damage. Uninsured motorist is when someone hits you and they don't have any insurance, or their insurance is very low, like that 2550. It doesn't pay enough. so your uninsured motorist would actually cover additional damages. So for someone that doesn't have insurance or very low coverages. So let's hit continue. Alright, now you come to this screen and you're getting your quote. This is how they'll contact you. Put in your first, last name, home address, actual physical address is what they're looking for. Because if for some reason the agent can't get a hold of you, they will actually mail the quote to you. A lot of agents will just mail it to you. How long you've been at the residence, home ownership, preferred home number, work, mobile. If you don't want to talk to an agent, just put mobile. 90% of all agents just do emails because they don't have time to call people with quotes. So they'll just simply put your mobile number and they'll leave you a voicemail if you don't recognize the number. Then email my quote, put your email in there, and they'll shoot you an email. And then hit continue, and then you are good to go. So continue. Alright, now you've submitted your information to all the agents. Just give it a few minutes and you'll have anywhere from 4 to 7 agents contacting you with the best rate they have available. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and be on the lookout for more videos. We're going to have some about home insurance, health insurance, how auto insurance works, all that good stuff. So thanks so much.